Hello to Teacher Names viewers! Last 2019, I prepared for the 2019 bar examinations. And during the 6 months of preparation, I stick to my formula which I called S squared, P squared, or 2 S's and 2 P's. Diba ang arte? The first S is schedule. Before pa mag-start yung review, naggawa na ako ng schedule ko for the entire 6 months. So, meron akong schedule for each subject, kung gaano ko siya katagal re-reviewin, ilang days, ilang months, and then meron akong weekly schedule na anong gagawin ko sa Monday, sa Tuesday, and every day as in. Tapos, meron din akong daily schedule. Like, nandun, anong oras ako gigising, kakain, mag-aaral, ilang oras, 10 oras ba yan, or kung ilan man. And then, nag-stick ako doon sa schedule na yun. So, kahit anong mangyari, nag-stick ako doon para hindi ako ma-lost along the review process. And second, S is sleep. I made sure that I have enough sleep. So, I sleep for 8 hours. Kahit gano'ng katagal ako mag-aral, basta magtutulog ako ng 8 hours para refresh yung brain mo, diba? And then, letter P, positive. First, ikaw, you have to be positive. You have to have a positive outlook during the entire review process. So, wag negative ang ilagay sa utak. Puro positive lang, papasa ako, ganyan. And also, surround yourself with positive people. People sharing the same attitude with you na hindi naglalagay ng kanigahan sa utak, ganyan. And lastly, the most important is the second P or prayer. Before you start your day, humingi ka ng guidance kay Lord, nagabayan ka niya sa araw na yon, bigyan ka niya ng wisdom para ma-absorb mo yung inaaral mo, bigyan ka niya ng kasipagan para makapag-stick ka sa schedule mo and matapos mo yung mga goals mo for the day, and i-guide ka niya na makasama mo ay mga positive individuals, diba? So, basta along the way, humingi lang ng guidance kay Lord na tulungan ka niyang makapasa and ma-achieve yung goals mo. Yun lang. Good luck, guys! Bye!